All right, so we're replacing the under-engine air filter in my Lexus LS460. I have a 2007 model and there's actually 2 engine air filters in here. The team at Bill Robertson Toyota have sent me a replacement air filters for us to do this, so big shout out to them, thank you. They've also given us a 10% discount code for anyone watching, so they can also save 10% on genuine engine air filters, cabin air filters, or any other parts or accessories they need to keep their Toyota running 100%. Now, with my particular car, you just lift up the under engine cover, and there's a couple of things that you need to undo. So there's this latch here, plus this latch over here, and that will allow you to wriggle this out of the way and pull out the air filter. And the job's super simple. If you get yourself a genuine air filter, you slide that in. Once you're done with a genuine Toyota one to let your engine breathe the way that you need it to breathe, slot it in underneath and clamp everything down to make sure that it's going to go in nice and tight and nice and neatly. Once that's in there, check that it's all nicely neat and tidy. That's all good to go. Slot the old one away so you can dispose of it carefully and environmentally friendly. And then just pop the engine cover back on. Now, normally you wouldn't do it while it's raining, but we were already out here filming, and to be honest, it's just a little bit of rain. But that's how you change your engine air filter and any other accessories that you need. So hit up the team at Bill Robertson Toyota. They'll help you get yourself genuine Toyota accessories and parts, not any fake imports that are being brought in, so that you know that your car's getting the very best if you love your car, just like I love my LS460.